Hey there, welcome back to Fix Protocol Guy. Over the years, I've seen many trading desks, fintechs, and infrastructure teams struggle with the same challenge. How do you reliably test fix sessions, handle failures, and diagnose issues without threatening production? Today's video is your definitive guide to the popular fix testing and support tools used by professionals around the world. We'll break down simulators, analyzers, enterprise test frameworks, capture replay utilities, and lightweight tools like dictionary lookups. You'll come away with not just what the tools are, but when and how to use them. Fix testing tools, deep dive, simulators, analyzers, and enterprise workflows. Which tool powers your fix stack? Let's begin with why these tools matter. Fix is a messaging backbone for trading systems. It's not enough to send a test order once and hope everything holds. You need to run regression suites, simulate error cases, verify behavior under load, troubleshoot protocol anomalies, and maintain session stability under different conditions. Manual testing or ad hoc scripts can't scale. That's where specialized fix tools come in. They help you reduce risk, speed up certification, isolate bugs, and maintain confidence in your fix infrastructure. First, let's talk about the foundational open-source engines, QuickFIX, C++, QuickFIX-J, Java, and QuickFIX-N.NET. Many teams use these tools as their first simulators or test harnesses. Key advantages: you can configure an initiator or acceptor locally, mimic client or server behavior, use config files to mimic real session settings, heartbeats, session windows, sequence resets, etc. You have full control over message flows and logic, ideal for custom testing. Challenges or things to know. You need technical familiarity. There's no turnkey GUI. When you simulate, you're using the same engine that your production integration might use, but missing real-world network edge cases or vendor-specific quirks. For complex script scenarios or error injection, you'll need to wrap logic around QuickFIX, e.g. build a wrapper test harness. Usage tip: set up a local test acceptor using QuickFIX, mirror your production fix settings, and drive test orders from your front end or scripts. Use it to validate basic order flows, reject logic and message patterns before moving to more heavyweight simulators. Next up, FIXSIM, a web-based, browser-accessible fix simulator. Many teams use FIXSIM when they need something that is fast to adopt and multi-user across locations. Strengths: no installation required, accessible from anywhere, supports configuration of both sides, initiator, acceptor. You can see raw fix messages, logs, rejections, and errors in real time, often with APIs to script flows. Limitations: latency is controlled by the platform, less realistic than local test environments. May not support exotic or highly customized fix dialects. Depth of error injection or protocol deviance may be limited compared to a full local simulator. When to use it: for vendor certification, cross-team prep, remote QA, or onboarding customers who want to test their side of a session without requiring local infrastructure. In professional environments, you'll often find desktop simulation suites by providers like EPAM, MyDefile, and or B2Bits, formerly B2Bits. Their tools include Fix Client Simulator, FCS, capture, replay, scripting, error injection, and support for custom dictionaries. Advantages: UI-based, scenario-driven testing, built-in scripting for scenario variation and edge case generation, good for QA and integration teams who don't want to write code support for custom dialects and vendors. Trade-offs: license cost and setup time, learning curve to master advanced features, sometimes overkill for small teams. Best practices: use these suites to build repeatable regression test sets, script business-level flows, multiple orders, cancellations, partial fills. Leverage capture, replay, to feed real production logs back into test systems. For large firms, VeriFix and similar enterprise frameworks help scale testing by integrating fix tests into automated pipelines. These tools provide full test orchestration across many sessions and use cases, dashboards, metrics, reporting, result traceability, version control, and repeatable baseline tests. Integration with CI/CD or continuous regression runs. They're not trivial to adopt, but once in place, they let firms validate that new changes don't break existing fix contracts. Useful for exchanges, brokers, and vendors with many counterparties. You can't just test, you also need insight into what's happening, especially in production. That's where tools like OnixS FIX Analyser come in. They parse fix logs, validate messages against data dictionaries, highlight rejects or tag mismatches, and let you dig into anomalies. Use cases include checking why your order was rejected, searching for sequence gaps, comparing message versions or custom tags across counterparties, spotting drift over time. These tools are essential in support roles and post-mortem diagnosis. Sometimes you need to see exactly what passed on the wire. That's where Wireshark with FIX Dissector comes in. You capture packet-level traffic, especially useful for diagnosing TLS handshake issues, transport problems, or when messages don't reach your FIX engine the way you think. Complement this with capture and replay tools. You capture a live session and replay it in a controlled test environment. Use that to recreate bugs seen in production stress test edge case sequences. Validate system upgrades against real traffic. These tools let you lock down replication of real-world behavior. Don't overlook light tools like FIXSIM, tag dictionaries, message samples, and mini GUI simulators. They're great for quickly looking up tag names or values, building small test messages manually, educating junior team members, checking custom vendor fields or dialects on the fly. These tools complement the heavier simulators and are often used by support desks or devs when they need to issue a quick message without spinning up a full engine. To recap, here's how you might build your FIX testing ecosystem. Quick prototypes, QuickFIX, QuickFIX-J QA, scenario testing, FIXSIM, B2Bits FCS enterprise regression, Verifix or similar frameworks, production and support, OnixS Analyser, plus capture, replay, plus Wireshark daily convenience tools, FIXSIM mini clients, each fills a role, some are developer-centric, others built for QA or ops. Over time your stack will evolve, but having this toolkit will make your FIX workflows far more resilient, observable, and easy to maintain. If you found this tool breakdown useful, like and subscribe to FIX Protocol Guy for more hands-on FIX content. Which tools does your team already use, or want to try? Drop your experience or questions in the comments, and I'll create deeper walkthroughs for the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we might build a full FIX scenario using one of these simulators in real time.